Hey guys, let's talk about something really important today. If you're young and dealing with erectile dysfunction, you're not alone. It's not just an older guy's issue, and there's no reason to feel embarrassed about it. Let's dive into some practical ways to tackle ED and get you back on track. First off, lifestyle changes can make a huge difference. Start with your diet. Try to eat nutritious foods and cut back on processed stuff. Exercise regularly. It's great for your libido, stamina, and mood. If you're smoking, consider quitting. Smoking reduces blood circulation and can promote ED. Also, maintaining a healthy weight, managing stress, and getting enough sleep are crucial. And hey, avoid recreational drugs, they're not doing you any favors. Now let's talk about medications. You've probably heard of VIAGRA, but that's just one option. There are several oral and injectable drugs available like Cialis, Levitra, and Stendra. These meds can be used on demand or continuously depending on what's causing your ED. Always consult your doctor to figure out what's best for you. There are also some natural remedies out there. While many lack solid proof, a few have shown promise. Ginseng root, cycnogenol, Prelox, and puncture vine are some examples. They might help by stimulating nitrous oxide production, which your body uses to induce erections. But again, talk to a healthcare professional before trying these out. Remember, ED is often treatable. A combination of lifestyle changes, medications, and possibly some natural remedies can really help. And keep in mind, the causes of ED in younger men can be different from those in older men, so it's important to get a proper diagnosis. If you're dealing with ED, talk to your doctor. You might get referred to a urologist for further evaluation and treatment. And don't forget, communication is key when you're with a partner. Be open and honest about your condition. Explore other sexual activities that don't rely on penetration. Things like vacuum pumps, sex toys, role play, mutual masturbation, and oral sex can be great alternatives. So, there you have it, guys. ED is nothing to be ashamed of, and there are plenty of ways to manage it and improve your quality of life. Take care of yourself and don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. Catch you later.